Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Ijaz Muhyiddin. Our next topic is acute liver failure. Liver is divided into 8 functional units or segments. Surgically, liver is divided into two parts, right and the left lobes of the liver, along the line from gallbladder and mid-hepatic artery vein known as Canty's line. Liver has dual blood supply from hepatic artery 20% and from portal vein 80%. All 8 functional units are supplied by the hepatic artery, portal vein and the bile duct. The venous drainage is by hepatic vein. The liver has a quality to regenerate itself fully in case of partial resection. This is the quality of the liver which is not seen anywhere else. Functions of the liver: maintaining core body temperature, correction of lactic acidosis, synthesis of clotting factors, glucose metabolism, glycolysis and gluconeogenesis, urea formation, protein catabolism, bilirubin formation, drug and hormone metabolism and excretion, removal of gut endotoxin and foreign antigens. Signs of liver failure. Signs of liver acute renal failure includes clinical jaundice. Neurological signs include hepatic encephalopathy, which includes flapping tremors. Flapping tremors has all the hands moving all over the place as if the patient is dancing. Drowsiness, confusion, coma. Causes of acute hepatic failure. Causes includes viral hepatitis, maybe A, B, C or D or E. Drug reaction, halothane, an anesthetic drug. INH, rifampicin, antituberculous drugs, antidepressant drugs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, valproic acid drugs, and then paracetamol overdose and mushroom poisoning. Wilson's disease and fatty liver of the pregnancy, acute Budd-Chiari syndrome and shock and multi-organ failure. So all these are the causes of acute liver failure. Treatment: correction of fluid and electrolyte imbalance, correction of acid-base balance, balanced diet, nutrition, monitoring of urea, creatinine and glucose, respiratory support, ventilation if needed, monitoring and treatment of cerebral edema by diuretics, maybe mannitol or something like that, or Lasix, treatment of bacterial and fungal infection, and liver transplant if required. Reference is Short Practice of Surgery by Bell and Love, 26th edition. Thank you very much.